Vice President Sara Duterte nag-resign na? Mga kaguro, mainit-init pa. Nakita ko nga pala tong breaking news sa Inquirer.net. Vice President Sara Duterte nag-resign na? Tara, tingnan natin. Pero kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, huwag mo kalimutan mag-follow at subscribe. Gurong gala! At ito nga sinasabi dito, Vice President Sara Duterte has resigned as the Department of Education Secretary. Duterte also resigned from her post as the Vice Chairperson of the NTF-LCAC, said the Presidential Communications Office. At hindi siya nagbigay ng kanyang reason kung bakit siya nag-resign. But she will continue to serve as Vice President, says the palace. As of 2:21 p.m. today, June 19, 2024, si Vice President Sara Duterte ay nagpunta sa Malacanang Palace para magpasa ng kanyang resignation letter. Nag-resign siya bilang DepEd Secretary at bilang Vice Chairperson ng NTF-ELCAC. At itong kanyang resignation ay mag-e-effect on July 19. Pero sana maglabas siya ng kanyang statement kung bakit ba siya nag-resign